Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check how much money I transferred from bank on Fidelity. First thing I want you to do, of course, you need to log into your account. Once you're logged in with your username and password, okay, you come here to your account section. So you come here to accounts and trades. Here you can see all your different accounts. You can see a summary. You can see balances as well for each account, right? You can go ahead and scroll down and you can see exactly how much money you have transferred from your different bank accounts, right? As you can see right here, this is how much we have on this account, $327,000 about that. And then how much available trade, how much you've been transferring. You can see that here in activity and orders as well. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.